So I'm Savannah Meyring. I'm the heat energy rover. I've been working at RoyOMartin for over a year now. I work outside. I am over the fuel, the dryers, the furnaces, and what my job is, I go around and I collect a bunch of data. If there's any upset conditions, I go to the upset conditions, check it out, see what's going on, and decide whether or not I need to call maintenance or the electrical, or see if I can just fix it myself. So before working here, I was a horseback riding instructor and trainer. I wasn't going down quite the right path, and so I made that decision. I needed to make a change with my life. So when I started working here, I didn't know what to expect. I just kind of came in and did my thing, but there's so much that through this company and through this job that I've been able to accomplish. I've been able to get my own place. I've been able to pay off my car. I pay off my furniture. I just got a new vehicle. I went home and got my horse trailer and was able to bring my horse down here, and it's just amazing. It really is to know where I came from to where I am now. I like driving the heavy equipment. Why? I don't know, but the first time I was driving the 930 and I'm just up there and I just feel so little, but I just felt so awesome. It's not typical in our society to see women doing this. The job itself I enjoy. I love being outside. I love the fact that I will never stop learning. The growth opportunities within this company are incredible. So what I would tell a young woman coming in thinking about career paths, that this is a good job. It has good pay, it has the benefits, it has the stability. I know when my paycheck's coming, I know how much it's gonna be. The fact that I can be independent, I have the time to have a life outside of work as well. There's a lot of balance and well-roundedness that this career brings. There's no limitations on it. It's an individual basis. If I wanna go out there and make something, I truly feel like if I put the time and the energy into it, I can create that life for myself. I don't expect the men to come and help me. Like, it's my job, I can do it. Just because I'm a woman doesn't mean I'm helpless. Like, they know that I am just as part of this team as they are. Working here at RoyOMartin, there's so many different avenues of anywhere, in any which way you wanna go. I love working here. I'm Savannah Meyring, and I believe in women in manufacturing.